Lesson 16. Practice Sentences Part 2. Wow, they treat each other very badly. Boy, them bad mind against them one another. Boy, them bad mind against them one another. Boy, them bad mind against them one another. Just a reminder, the A's highlighted in green at the beginning of the sentences can either be used or ignored. That's the problem. A that a the problem. A that a the problem. A that a the problem. Yes, I heard about it a long time ago. Yeah, me hear about it long time. Yeah, me hear about it long time. Yeah, me hear about it long time. I don't have time for that. Me no have no time for that. Me no have no time for that. Me no have no time for that. It has nothing to do with me. It no have nothing to do with me. It no have nothing to do with me. It no have nothing to do with me. He's been gone since yesterday. Him gone from yesterday. Him gone from yesterday. Him gone from yesterday. He still has not come back. I'll know him no come back. I'll know him no come back. I'll know him no come back. This is not the first time he's done that. This are not the first time him do that. This are not the first time him do that. This are not the first time him do that. It's getting late. I'm going home. It a get late. Me a go a me yard. It a get late. Me a go a me yard. It a get late. Me a go a me yard. I called her, but she's not answering the phone. I call her, but she not answer the phone. I call her, but she not answer the phone. I call her, but she not answer the phone. Just a note. In most cases, such as this one, the A, which represents I, is interchangeable with me. Me call her, but she not answer the phone. The car won't start. What are we going to do? The car won't start. What we are going to do? The car won't start. What we are going to do? The car won't start. What we are going to do? I don't want to talk about that anymore. Me no want to talk about that no more. Me no want to talk about that no more. Me no want to talk about that no more. It's nice. I really like how it tastes. It nice. Me really like how it tastes. It nice. Me really like how it tastes. It nice. Me really like how it tastes. I don't like it. It's too soft. Me no like it. It too soft. Me no like it. It too soft. Me no like it. It too soft. I can't believe the weekend is over already. Me can't believe said the weekend done already. Me can't believe said the weekend done already. Me can't believe said the weekend done already. What did you say he said? What you say him say? What you say him say? What you say him say? Do you think I'm stupid? What me look like? You think me fool? What me look like? You think me fool? What me look like? You think me fool? You are bold and disrespectful. You bright and feisty. You bright and feisty. You bright and feisty. We are not friends. Me and you no friend. Me and you no friend. Me and you no friend. Go away. Go on about your business. Go on about your business. Go on about your business.